In this video, I will share with you an easy step-by-step eye makeup tutorial that can be done under 5 minutes. Hi guys, it's Tooba here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Candidly with Tooba, where I get candid with you about all things under the sun. But for this one, I am doing an eye makeup look I created just for you. Here is Step 1 is to prime your eyelids. I am using Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser as my primer. Apply it all over your eyelids, and don't forget the inner and outer corners. Give the primer some time to dry and apply the concealer. Here I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair. Applying concealer like this on your eyelids will make sure that you get the most pigment out of the eyeshadow we will be applying shortly. Keep in mind that we're not applying to get coverage, but to cancel out any discoloration or to enhance the color payoff of the eyeshadow. So you can use any lightweight concealer which has low to medium coverage, preferably in the same shade as the foundation you're going to use on your skin. Or if you want to brighten your eyes a bit, you can use 1 or 2 shades lighter shade concealer for this. Now I will use Biony Buff Banana Powder in 701 to set the concealer we just applied on our eyelids because we want it to be smooth and don't want it to crease or settle into fine lines. Apply with a fluffy brush all over where we applied the concealer just now. Now we will take our first and second eyeshadow, let's call it number 1 and number 2, and apply it as our transition color a little above where our crease is. As the shade of the first color is similar to skin tone and the second has 2 shades darker color, we will use it to give back the depth to our eyelids. Apply a fair amount and blend it with a blending brush really well so you can't see any harsh lines. Taking our third and fourth shade, we will apply them to our crease, mainly focusing on the outer third of our lids and taking it all the way to the inner corners. Number 3 shade is dark brown, but warmer than the second. Number 4 shade has pink and purple warm undertones with brown as a base. That's why I use it to give the eyelids a natural shadow. After blending it well, we will take a clean fluffy brush and blend all the colors like I am doing. Now taking the 5th shade, which is the darkest brown with burgundy undertones, we will apply it to the outer V of our eyes like so. Now comes the most exciting part, applying the jet black liner pencil on our eyelid. Make sure to apply lower than your lids so it won't mess up the hard work we have just done. I just use my kohl pencil. You can take any of your favorite black pencil for this and blend a little with a small brush. Take the most jet black matte eyeshadow you have and lay it over what we just applied. Make sure you don't blend it, but pat it on with the same small brush. For blending it with our other colors, we will take number 2 and apply it between 2 colors. Now comes the cleaning part. Clean the eye edges with a wet wipe or a tissue paper. Just observe where I am dabbing it and follow along. For the lower lash line, take number 3 and number 4 and apply them on there, like so. Taking number 2, we will blend lightly with the previous 2 colors like this. To warm up the lower lash line, we will take number 5 and number 6 and apply them one by one. The brush I am using for all my color for the lower lash line is a liner brush, but you can also use a pencil brush for this. Taking the same brush we used for number 2 on the lower lash line, we will blend it all together like so. For making the eyes look bigger, I took the lightest nude shade number 7 and applied it in the inner lash line. You can do the same or use a nude eye pencil for a more noticeable effect. Now for inner corners, I am taking number 8 red glittery metallic shadow and applying it in my inner corners to open up the eyes and spice things up a little. To complete the look, I applied transparent mascara. You can use your favorite black one if you want a more dramatic look.